ఇక విజయవాడలో క్వాంటమ్ వ్యాలీపై జాతీయ వర్క్షాప్ నడుస్తుంది. ఈ కార్యక్రమంలో సీఎం చంద్రబాబు మాట్లాడుతున్నారు. లైవ్ లో చూద్దాం.
Of India, that is the power of population in India by using technology. Nobody can beat India in development. So these are all three advantages. Now, as our friends has rightly mentioned, now we are all working here. Quantum Valley with deep technologies. This is very order of the day. Earlier, only IT and applications. Now, as on today, AI has become a reality. Deep technologies are becoming a reality. And also, one example I can give you what my plans. Andhra Pradesh is having some advantages. One is Sriharikota satellite launching pad for India. I wanted now, Honorable Prime Minister under the Government of India has allowed private investment in space technology. We wanted to create space technology, space city, aerospace, defense and civilian, huge demand in India. We want to go for aerospace and also electronics. Earlier, India was importing. Today we are exporting. There is huge demand globally, even for electronics production. And also drones. Without drones, nowadays we are all watching, drone is very, very essential to war or otherwise to have civilian applications, so many things. We created a drone city. Automobile, new technologies are emerging, green energy, EV vehicles, everything, there we are working. So, Andhra Pradesh is very strong in green energy. I have seen in my life, there was no phone. Only affluent people, 5-6 villages or in a town, 1 or 2 phones. In 1989, when I started 1978 as MLA, 89 I contested from Kuppam. For the last 9 times I'm winning there. I announced in Kuppam in one public meeting, I am going to bring electronic exchange. Then my opposition criticized me, how he is going to bring electronic exchange? Manual, because we had only 20 phones in the constituency itself. That was the issue now. Everybody in my constituency today, they are having cell phones, smartphones, everybody is operating. Today, if you can see, in my government, all services I wanted to provide through WhatsApp governance. That is what IT Ministry has started. It is going on as on today extremely well. By August 15th, 100% services will be online. Nobody need to come to office. There is one more advantage in this. I can analyze through AI tool what type of complaints, who is complaining, whom they are complaining. Then I can take so many actions. Now here I wanted to request all of you. This is the ecosystem we wanted to create. There, quantum computing is very much needed. As Kamakoti has rightly mentioned, by January 1st, Quantum Computing Center will operate from Amaravati. This is where beginning of Quantum Valley. Then, not only starting with quantum computing, you have to bring ecosystem. You have to bring use cases. He rightly mentioned 100 use cases by August 15th, 2026. That was the beginning only. I wanted to see, as on today, very interestingly, if you can go through, average AI usage. World average 31%. India average 65%. Here, top AI usage, China, India, USA, Europe. I am confident China population will reduce, India population will increase. More AI utilization will be India. That is going to happen very soon. I am 100% confident on that. If you talk all these things, if you see here, 92% of Indian knowledge workers are using AI. Just now, IT Minister has rightly mentioned, he had a confusion on quantum computing. Then he asked ChatGPT. Immediately, it has given answer for him. Then no need to shy away, or otherwise, he got answer for that. That is the future now. I'm saying to all my workers, everybody, any doubt, you can go, you can prepare with a ChatGPT, this type of solutions. But ultimately, what I am thinking, for example, in Andhra Pradesh, TCS is our partners, not now, on information technology from the beginning. Now we are working data lake. By integrating all records in Andhra Pradesh with data, individuals, authentication with Aadhaar, and also family as a unit, and every house is geotagged, and also GPI, GI, and also Government of India programs, Government of Andhra Pradesh programs, and public satisfaction, service delivery, all files online. Now we are going, historical data is available, we are computerizing, we are putting on cloud or data centers. And at the same time, tools are available, AI, now we are talking quantum AI, AI for quantum computing, and also real-time data is available now through satellite, drones, CCTV cameras, IoT, wearables, sensors. By creating aware, we are getting 42 parameters real time. It may be temperature, humidity, rainfall, thunderbolt prediction, cyclone, cloud burst, soil moisture, groundwater, reservoir water, whatnot, everything. Even pest, crop pattern, prediction of crop yield, so that I can plan it for marketing. If I get all these things, for government, if I link with quantum computing, real time, I can get data, historical data is available, knowledge is available globally, computing with AI, quantum computing. I can communicate real time to the last mile again for execution. That is a game changer for future, either for health, either for agriculture, either for any walks of life. If you can do that, then youngsters are here, startup companies, and also this ecosystem players, huge market, pharma industry. Now they are doing, Suchitra is here, they are doing biotechnology, so much of research, so much of all these things. Now by using quantum computing, you can reduce the time, you can prepare your modules at a cost-effective way. Even personal medicine is not far away. So this is where I am visualizing all these things. So how to go about, all of us has to think in that direction. As Our Excellency Jennifer has rightly mentioned, India and America, two big democracies. We have to compete with each other. We have to work together for each other for global good. India and America has to do in that direction. That will go a long way. Even Secretary has rightly mentioned now, they are building ecosystem. He made one comment, I am very happy. He has to prepare very clear targets. Finally, he said, India is not only a participant, we will be a player. From the beginning, I am saying we are becoming a user. Software, we are very strong. But at the same time, products, we are very weak. That is the biggest challenge, sir. I am telling you. You give challenges to our people. They are prepared to go for products. In the initial stage, entrepreneurs, we have to give some leverage. Even some people may fail, but we have to encourage. Then they will be successful. So, in this meeting, I am telling so many people you have seen from the morning, so much of enthusiasm. Now you prepare, quantum computing means not only getting one machine and putting in Amravati, then you think quantum computer has come, my work is over. No. How to create that ecosystem is important. Today also we had some meetings, all experts. I am only a policy maker. I will protect everybody's interest. If I cannot promote, nobody can promote quantum computing or deep